These are some small inkwash animals that I created. And they're 4x6 size, so really easy to just stick in a small frame and put up on a shelf or tabletop or hang on a wall with some other art surrounding it. They'd be great for in your office as well, just something to kind of cheer things up, and it's always great to surround yourself with different fun, unique things that you enjoy in your space where you spend the most time. So this is a hawk. And then I also have an owl. Have this bird as well. A lot of birds this time around. And then also some fall pumpkins. And if you enjoy these small ink washes, there's a lot more that you can view in our gallery online.